So you've just made something absolutely delicious in your air fryer. And now you're thinking, how to clean all that mess? In just 3 simple steps, we can go through the stinky, dirty part to clean and shine results. By the way, I'm Ole. Usually I'm the one behind the camera in these videos. But today, I'm doing the cleaning, just like I always do after cooking. First, we need some hot, boiled water. Kettle on, water boiling, and then just waiting. So in the first step, we'll just fill the air fryer basket with hot water. Our goal is to cover all that mess. For step 2, take a single dishwasher tablet, cut it slightly with scissors, and drop it straight into the basket. But if you don't have one, regular dish soap works just as well. And in the final step, grab spinning lemon and squeeze it right into the basket. Lemon juice helps cut through grease and adds a fresh scent, like you're cleaning a spa, not an appliance. Now give the basket a gentle shake, like you're shaking your favorite potato. Once that's done, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the magic can start working. So now the water should be a bit cooler, and it's time for a quick brush check. I use a soft bristle brush and gently scrub the mesh grid inside. If you cook something that sticks like cheesy wings or marinades, that brush is your best friend. Now let's drain that dirty water and give the basket a rinse with clean one. Then a quick wipe with a sponge, one final rinse, and just look at that shine. And just like that, with a few simple steps, your air fryer basket is clean and ready for your next delicious recipe. How do you clean your air fryer? Do you use just dish soap or toss it in the dishwasher? Drop your tips in the comments. I'm always happy to hear your cleaning hacks. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more air fryer mastery videos. And see you in the next one.